Hello, Facebook. It is 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We are going live. I'm going to give it a few seconds. I'm going to pull it up on Instagram, and then we'll get started. Oops. Instagram, I need to turn it around. All right. Hi, Instagram. It is 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and we are live on Instagram. We've passed the 15-second mark, so we are live on Facebook. How are you guys doing? I know this is a weird time, probably, to do a live right at 9 o'clock when people are at work. Hey, Brian, can I wave at you on Instagram? But maybe you guys can watch this for 10 minutes before you get into your day and all of that jazz. So what I wanted to talk to you about today was really how to help you effectively clean out your closet so that you are not stressed and that it makes it so much easier to get dressed in the morning. It's a little counterintuitive to think about, oh, hey, Courtney. It's a little counterintuitive to think about the fact that you have less clothes is having more wardrobe options, but that's exactly what happens. So when you clean out your closet, there's less stuff for you to get distracted by. You find things that you forgot you had or that you really loved, and you're really able to actually pull together a more cohesive outfit in a lot less time when you're able to clean out your closet. So my printer's going off. If you guys can hear that, just bear with me. I want to get into 3 steps to helping you clean out your closet. So again, this is not rocket science, right? But the very first step is that you are going to take everything out. And when I say everything, I mean everything. How many of you guys have more than one closet where you keep things? I've got 2 closets. So one closet kind of has my main stuff, and then I have another closet that has jackets and things like that. So whenever I am cleaning out my closet or cleaning out a client's closet, we take everything out. If you have a lot of stuff in your closet, you can do this kind of step by step. So sometimes with clients, we'll take out shirts and we'll put those on a bed, and we'll go section by section. So then we'll take out pants. But at the end of the day, you want everything to come out of that closet, and then you want to sort through it, right? So the second step is to then go through and try on everything. So this may mean that you may need to do this on a weekend, or you may want to do it at night, have yourself a glass of wine, and really just be in the mindset of trying on the clothes that you have, seeing if they still fit you, seeing if you still like them. Even just the other day, I put on a sweater that I love the sweater. It's cashmere, it's soft, it's beautiful, but I just didn't feel great in it. And so I was like, all right, this thing has got to go. And as soon as I took it off and put on my black V-neck sweater, I was like, this is it. This is the sweater I need to be wearing today. So you go through cycles with your clothes, and even clothes that you really love or you've worn a lot, they may not be the right, hello, Alyssa. They may not, hey, Kevin, Rising Tide Startups. I'm waving at all my peeps on Instagram. Cassandra. Okay, so Cassandra has a question about step 1. So I'm going to go back. 3 steps to clean out your closet. The first step is taking everything out. Cassandra, yes, including your coat closet. Take all that stuff out. So again, like I was talking about going in sections, if you need to go, hi Lee, in sections, do your coat closet in a separate section. But yes, take it all out and then try it all on. So again, usually when I'm working with clients, I set aside 3 hours to do a closet audit. If it's easier for you and you want to do, say, just your coats in one go or just your shirts in one go, then set aside 30 minutes, 45 minutes. But the key is to just give yourself space and time. Don't do it when you're stressed, because you are going to want to try everything on. You're going to want to look in a mirror. And if you can, I would actually suggest that you take a picture or have someone take a picture of you in a piece that you're unsure of. A lot of times that picture will reflect back a different image than you just looking in the mirror, and you're able to kind of really see how that works on you. And sometimes a picture, you can say, oh yeah, that's not a good look, right? So step 1, take it all out. Step 2, try it all on, and really just go through the thought process of, does this piece fit me really well? Do I like how I look in it? Do I feel good? Do I feel confident in it? Have I worn it in a while? And a note on not wearing it in a while. Just because you haven't worn it in a while does not mean you have to get rid of it. I do have clients, and myself included, where you'll have pieces that either you have some sort of emotional attachment to for whatever reason, right? Usually for women, sometimes it's wedding shoes or dresses or a bag or something you bought while traveling, and those things are fine. You don't have to get rid of them. I actually have a box in my closet. It's just like a Tupperware box, and it's full of stuff that I don't wear every day, and I haven't worn it in a really long time, but it's cool vintage pieces, or it's something that I just don't want to get rid of. And so I just kind of keep it all in a box. And that's fine. So I'm not telling you to necessarily like KonMari the crap out of your closet and get rid of everything. But you do want to do a little light KonMariing, okay? So the third step, I'm going with the T's here. Take it all out, try it all on, and then this is return. There's my T, return. Return only back into your closet the things that you love and the things that serve you. So I already talked about this a little bit, but you really want to have in your closet clothes that you're gonna wear. I actually have this gray sweater. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. Because I took it out of my closet and put it in my get rid of pile. So this is a really nice, beautiful cashmere turtleneck. It has really cool detail, fringe. But for whatever reason, every time I put this on, I just don't feel like good in it. And so despite the fact that it's new, despite the fact that it's cashmere, great fabric, despite the fact that it's gray, I like gray. And, you know, there's all of these things about this piece that, like, this should be a great piece. But something happens when I put it on that I just, like, don't feel good. I don't know. I just don't feel like me. I don't feel confident. And so I know that that piece doesn't work for me, and I just need to let it go. So, yeah. So you're only going to return back the things that love you and that serve you. And, again, if you have pieces, my mother just joined on Instagram. Hi, Mommy Bassy. So I'm going to wave at her. So if you have pieces, again, like I said, that you want to hold on to, that's fine. But you really are looking at identifying the pieces that you look good in, that you feel good in, that look good on you. Hi, Lisa, on Instagram. And put those back into your closet. So it's not hard to do a closet audit, but you do need to be kind of truthful and honest with yourself and not hang on to stuff in the hopes of wearing it someday or losing the weight to fit into it, or, you know, whatever the case is. You really want your clothes to serve you. So if you have a closet full of clothes you never wear, that's not really serving you. That's not helping you. That's cluttering up your closet and leaving you just essentially with things that you don't like. And you have to get dressed every single morning. This is what I tell my clients all the time. You have to get dressed every single morning. So shouldn't that process be fun, simple, easy? When you've cleaned out your closet full of things that you don't have, that you don't like anymore, that you're not using anymore, and you're left only with the things that you love, it is so much easier to grab something and put it on, even when you're rushed or stressed, because you know already that that piece that's in there fits you, looks good on you, and you really love wearing it. I do want to give you a little tidbit on my 6 piles. Usually when people clean out closet, there's like 3 piles, and you put stuff in keep, maybe, or like toss. But I want to give you 6 piles. Yes, Lee, Lee is one of my clients. She's been working with me one-on-one, and she has done so much work. We just did a massive clean out in her closet. And she's been emailing me and telling me how much easier it is to get dressed, and already how easier it is for her to spot the things that work really well for her and that she likes, because in that process of cleaning out your closet, you start to identify shapes that look good on you, and you start to identify what doesn't work. And so you just cut down on that process so much. Hey, Meredith. Oh, I can wave at you too. So many people on Instagram. This is so fun. But yeah, so you're able to cut down on figuring out the shopping process, because you already know the styles that look good on you, styles that don't look good on you. So this kind of goes back to my jean Insta story yesterday and Instagram post. If you saw that, I was just talking about how light wash jeans don't work for me. They don't work for my body type because I'm bigger on the bottom. And so light wash jeans pull all the attention to my bottom half, which is bigger, and I don't like it, and I don't feel comfortable. So now I really know if I'm going into a store, I just don't even waste my time on light wash jeans. I go immediately for dark wash, skinny jeans, ankle cut jeans. That's the style that I like. That's what works for me. So I don't even have to waste my time trying those on. So back to my 6 piles, because I bunny trailed down there. So typically the 6 piles are like keep, maybe, trash. And usually when I'm working like one-on-one with a client, we'll kind of do those, or we'll do a few more piles. But I really like these piles. I like keep, I like donate, I like repair, consign, tailor, and recycle. So You'll notice there's no trash pile in here, but I want to talk about them really briefly. So keep, obviously, those are the things that you love. Those are the things that spark joy. If you're into KonMari, which I am, I love her. You're going to want to have a repair pile. So actually this sweater, Lisa, if you're still on, this is the sweater I need you to fix. The sweater actually has a little tiny hole in it, but you can't tell because I'm wearing black under it, but you can have awesome pieces and sometimes they just need to be repaired. So repairing your clothes extends the life of them. My mother's going to work. Bye, Mom. Have a good day at work. And then tailor. So I have a lot of pieces in my closet, or I'll buy things secondhand or something like that, where maybe the fit is a little off, and all it needs is like a tailor to fix the shoulder seam, or take it in at the waist, or whatever the case is, raise the hemline to fit me. So all of those things are related around keeping, repairing, and tailoring the clothes that you're going to keep. Now, as far as the clothes that you're going to want to get rid of, I like donate, consign, and recycle. So consignment is awesome if you have a lot of pieces that you think someone else would want to buy. So that's the key in consigning, is that it's in good enough condition, it's a good enough brand, something like that someone else is going to want to buy it. This is a whole other Facebook Live, but before you take stuff to consign, just make sure it's in good condition. Call the store, make sure that they will take your stuff, because different stores have different aesthetics, and then go from there. A lot of times you'll get cash back or you'll get credit, which is really awesome if you get into that cycle then of wearing clothes, buying them, they serve you, you consign them, you buy some more, but you're not necessarily trashing them and contributing to that cycle of things. So consignment is awesome. Donating is also awesome. So a lot of times with my clients, if they have stuff I can take to consignment, I will do that for them. If the clothes, they're just like older styles or whatnot, and the consignment store doesn't take them, then I will donate them to a charity. So usually I will take my stuff, if you're here in Richmond, to the Clothes Rack. I really love them. They have awesome stuff. And yeah, it's a great way. A lot of people do Dress for Success. So sometimes when I've cleaned out women's closets and they have a lot of like workwear, we'll do Dress for Success. So you can definitely find a local charity that is going to be really specific to the stuff you're getting rid of, and you can then donate it there. Bonus, you get a tax write-off. And sometimes that's the easier route, like truthfully, like you can take stuff to consignment and you get cash back or credit. But sometimes you get a better tax write-off if you donate. Just a little trick for you. And then the last thing is recycling. So instead of trashing, I want you to think about recycling. So we just talked about this in the Ethical Style Collective group. You can look them up on Instagram, Ethical Style Co., and then Facebook, Ethical Style Collective. And H&M has a clothing recycling program. So you can take in textiles should be any local H&M, and you can just drop it off there. They'll recycle it, and you actually do get a credit or like a coupon to shop back at H&M. I heard that they do not take shoes, so you can actually take shoes to North Face. They will recycle shoes, which is really cool. So there are definitely a lot of things that you can do. And actually, I need to research that. I actually have some client shoes that weren't good for consignment. They weren't good for donation either, because they just were really old, really worn out. So I need to actually say that I myself can figure out a North Face store that I can take these shoes to recycle instead of trashing them. Because trashing them just puts them in the landfill, and you're not necessarily doing what you can to kind of reduce your footprint on the earth. So to recap, and if there's any questions, I don't think I've seen any questions, just people saying hi. But I'm glad so many of you guys joined me at 9 o'clock on a, what day is this? Thursday? Kind of random. So, oh, hi, Larkin. Recap, 3 steps to cleaning out your closet. And remember, the goal is to help you clean out your closet so you can reduce your stress and make getting dressed easier in the morning. You're going to want to take it all out, try it all on, and return back only the things that you love and that serve you. When you're sorting, you have 6 piles. You want to keep, you want to repair, you want to tailor, or you want to consign, donate, recycle. So these are things that I am going to actually be talking about in teaching my students in my virtual style course. So I am teaching a whole virtual course on 30 days to creating your signature style. We are going to be going essentially from start to finish on the same process that I go with my one-on-one clients that I work with. And so it's going to be 30 days. You're going to get 12 videos from yours truly, basically just walking you and leading you through the process. Courtney, who's over here on Instagram, she joined, so she's going to be a part of that. And we are really going to help you figure out what your style is, How do you find that? How do you make getting dressed easier? How do you figure out where to shop based on your style and your budget? And it's a good, oh, wow, that was crazy. It's going to be a really great program to help you to simplify your life, take control of your style, be more confident, and I'm really excited. I have so many people signed up already, and I can't wait for more people to sign up. There are 2 deadlines that you need to know. March 15th is the end of early bird. Early bird is $175, which is an amazing price. Can't even begin to tell you what a great value that is for the course and everything you're going to be getting. But if you don't make it by then, you have until March 31st to sign up. It's $250 if you don't do it by then. So just as a comparison, if you work with me one-on-one, it's about $150 an hour. And so, yeah, not everybody can do that, which is fine. But this is why I love the virtual style course, because I know I can reach so many more women with this message. I definitely believe that style can be taught. I don't believe that you have to have been one of those little girls like playing dress up in your mommy's closet. I wasn't that person. And so I learned these things, and I'm excited to help other women learn it. And everybody has to get dressed. Like, I don't think anybody should be stressed out when you have to get dressed in the morning. That like breaks my heart to think that like people just don't know how to shop, or like don't know what things work for their body. So you're going to be learning all of that. Instagram, you can go to the link in my bio, to the link tree. It's the first link to find out more information. Facebook, I'm putting this in like the comment or the title section, so you can click there. But it's chicstripes.com/30-days-2-signature style, something like that. So Cassandra on Facebook said, I love the tip about taking a photo because it reflects back differently than just looking in a mirror. Yes. 100%. If I'm working with my clients and they're trying things on, and I want to compare 2 things with them, so sometimes I'll have them put on something that like doesn't look that great on them, and then I'll have them put something on that looks good on them, take a picture of each, and then let them compare, and it makes a huge difference. So, and you can do that, and it should actually be really easy now with iPhones. You can just set it up and do like a timer photo, so you don't even need anybody. Oh, love the iPhone. Okay. Anyway, that is it for me. I have some other stuff I have to do, but I hope this helped. And if you guys clean out your closets anytime soon, please let me know. If you have questions about the 30 Days to Signature Style virtual course, send me an email. My email is Sydney, SYDNEY, @chicstripes.com. Obviously, you can reach me on Instagram at chicstripes, Facebook at chicstripes, and all of the above. So that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful Thursday. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. It was so fun to see all the familiar faces. And that's it. I'm out of here. Bye, guys.